All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So there is rumors of a Bigfoot coming out from Traxxas. So the rumors have been true. You guys can see the image here, but I can't find any information on it. But it's a 50th anniversary of the original Bigfoot monster. They did a couple of things to what you guys know. They just took their basic platform and did a couple of things to it to make it look a little bit better. I think it looks pretty good with that gold and black on it. Now, I don't have a release date or anything for this. The only thing I have is these few photos that I'm showing you here. But it looks good with those gold wheels that are on there. You guys see that it's basically blinged out with gold everywhere on it. But I think they did a good job on at least making something unique to put out there for people to look at. Now, of course, this doesn't have foam or anything in the tires. And if you look at the chassis layout, it's just like the current Bigfoot that's out there that's on the Stampede 4x4 or the Hoss platform. It's just a 2S brushless system. It's got the BL2S system in it. And hopefully this comes with a LiPo and charger too. They're showing it in the pictures here, so hopefully it comes with it. Now, it's stating $279 out there from what I've seen on a couple of websites, but it's still not available. I mean, this is on like a Hobby Town website, but it doesn't have a release date or anything. But put down in the comments what you guys think about this. I'll probably end up getting this and making it brushless, putting a little bit more power to it and not making it shelf queen, but bashing it. But let me know what you guys think about this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. As always, I appreciate you watching.